Get ready for a bug-free summer. With the warm and humid La Niña weather, it's time to take action and prepare your home for the upcoming insect breeding season. The unique weather pattern brings different challenges to the North and South Islands. While the North experiences warm and damp conditions, the South faces a dry summer. This unexpected lack of rain has led to an early arrival and prolonged stay of flies and mosquitoes. It's the perfect breeding ground, not just for crawling insects but also for flying pests, warns Jane McCarrison, a pest and garden expert from KiwiCare. She highlights that the warm sea temperatures and humid decaying matter create an ideal environment for mosquitoes to thrive. But here's where it gets controversial. McCarrison reveals that the North Island is expected to bear the brunt of the insect invasion. With more rainfall and stagnant water pools, the region provides the perfect habitat for mosquitoes. So, how can you ensure your home stays insect-free? McCarrison shares her 3-step guide to pest management. Step 1. Clean up. Ensure your rubbish bins have lids and regularly wipe down surfaces. Don't forget to clean the areas where bins are stored and remove any bin juice to eliminate potential breeding grounds. Step 2. Kill. It's time to take action. Use fly sprays or automatic systems to eliminate bugs inside your home. For those concerned about chemicals, McCarrison suggests setting off bug bombs when no one is home, allowing for proper ventilation before returning. Step 3. Protect. Before heading out on summer holidays, check commonly forgotten areas like doorways, eaves, and car wing mirrors for bug accumulation. Setting off bug bombs before your trip can provide an extra layer of protection, ensuring a pest-free return. Additionally, move bins away from the house entryway if possible, and keep backyards clean and free of pet waste to avoid attracting insects. And this is the part most people miss. McCarrison emphasizes the importance of taking these steps now, before the insect population explodes. So, are you ready to tackle the upcoming insect season? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Will you be implementing these tips to keep your home bug-free?